Hey everyone, if you cannot log in because the Bumble verification code isn't working, this usually solves it. First, go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Bumble and then swipe it away. Then reopen it and then tap login again. Enter your phone number carefully and request a new verification code. After that, once make sure that your phone has a stable internet connection as well. Check that your phone's number has signal and can receive SMS messages. Also, disable any SMS blocking or spam filters temporarily. If the code still does not arrive, wait a few minutes before trying again. Avoid requesting codes repeatedly in a short time. Most verification problems are caused by network or timing issues, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.